a period that comes with anticipation and joy. And any decision taken during this period has an impact on both the mother and her unborn child. So it's very important to take the right decision in order to have a healthy pregnancy journey and a healthy pregnancy outcome. You are welcome to my channel, Women's Health. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell to get notifications anytime I post. In this video, I'll talk about some common mistakes pregnant women make during pregnancy. Let's get into the video. Mistake number one is skipping antenatal or not starting antenatal care early. When should you start your antenatal care? You are supposed to start your antenatal care immediately you confirm pregnancy, because at that stage there are some investigations and some scan that will be done on you in order to identify and treat any potential health issue. But when you don't start the antenatal early, that step will be skipped, and you might be at risk of some potential health issues which will not be identified nor treated because you didn't start your antenatal care early. And also, skipping antenatal care visits. Antenatal care visits allows health workers to treat you, to identify any potential health issues, and to give you information that you need in order to have a healthy baby and a healthy pregnancy. It also gives room for you to receive your vaccinations, and also give room for you to get your routine drugs during the period. But when you skip your antenatal care visit, you might not be able to ask some questions that you have in mind because you didn't attend the care. So it's very important to start your antenatal immediately you confirm pregnancy, and make sure you don't skip your antenatal visit. And mistake number two is not taking your routine drugs. When you don't take your routine drugs, you are depriving yourself and your unborn child from some certain needs. And when you take your routine drugs, it helps to build you and your baby. It helps your body to carry your pregnancy to the end of the journey, and it protects your baby from some certain birth defects. Take your routine drugs in order to have a healthy baby and a healthy pregnancy. Mistake number three is skipping vaccinations. There are some certain vaccines pregnant women take during pregnancy depending on the part of the world that you are. Typically in Nigeria here, the vaccine we give to pregnant women is the tetanus vaccine. Make sure you start and complete your tetanus vaccine throughout the pregnancy in order to protect you and your unborn child from some crucial health issues. Mistake number four, not taking enough water. When you don't take enough water during pregnancy, this can lead to dehydration, and dehydration can cause you to have urinary tract infection, and also dehydration can also limit the quantity of water, which is the amniotic fluid that your baby lives in. Amniotic fluid is the lifeline of your baby, and if the quantity is reduced or is too much, it can have effects on your unborn child. So it's very important to take enough water during pregnancy. If you can't take water, you can take fruits that contains a lot of water in order to meet up with your water needs. Mistake number five, buying too many baby products. Especially for the first timers, any product that pops up on their phone, they order it and buy it. Most times when you buy those products, you might not even make use of them. And when you buy too many clothing, most times within 3 months they outgrow the clothes, and they might not, some of them they might not even wear it at all. When buying products, make sure you get little products and the ones that are very important to use in the first 3 months. Don't buy too many baby care products, because you might turn out not to use them at all, and which might lead to wastage of money. Make sure you buy only products that are very important. You can seek advice from those that have experienced it before, or seek advice from a trusted person in order to get the right information, to know the right baby products you should buy, which you will use in the first 3 months. Because when you buy too much products, you might not even use them at all. Mistake number six, not preparing for post-delivery. It's very important to prepare for post-delivery, because post-delivery period can be exhausting and can lead to some mental health issues like postpartum depression, postpartum blues, and so on. So it's very important to prepare for it. Have it in mind. Get information of post-delivery care so that when it comes, you'll be able to cope with it. Prepare for breastfeeding, prepare for care of the cord, prepare for handling your baby, prepare for the sleepless night, so you cope with it when it comes. When you prepare for it, it's less stressful, but when you don't prepare for it, it comes as a shock or something new that you are not expecting. But if it's something you are expecting, you already plan out how you are going to do during that period, get extra hands, get extra needs that will help you cope through the period. Mistake number 7 is taking advice from anyone. You can get conflicting advice from people during pregnancy, especially when it's your first pregnancy. But make sure you sift those informations and choose the ones that are very right. And make sure when you are asking for information, it should be from a trusted person. Make sure you ask from your healthcare provider or someone that is trusted that you know will give you the right information. You get information everywhere, every corner, every angle. Everyone will try to give you their experience, but not knowing that each pregnancy is different and everybody's experience is distinct. So don't take information, don't take advice from just anybody and apply it. Make sure you take advice from your healthcare professional or from a trusted person in order to have a healthy pregnancy and a healthy pregnancy outcome. Mistake number 8 is comparing your pregnancy symptoms or your pregnancy entirely to someone else's. Using someone else's pregnancy journey to judge your own pregnancy journey, or if this is your second or third time, comparing your previous pregnancy experiences to the present pregnancy experiences. That's a great mistake and can endanger you and your unborn child. Every pregnancy is unique and every pregnancy symptoms is distinct. What you experience during that pregnancy, don't expect that it should go in line with what you are experiencing during this pregnancy. Don't compare symptoms. Any symptom you feel or any unusual thing you feel, make sure you report to your healthcare provider. And don't take any signs you feel as being normal if you've not gotten information from the right source. Mistake number 9 is ignoring pregnancy symptoms like reduced fetal movement. You know how often you feel your baby's movement and how you feel it. If you feel, even if it's a slight change from how you usually feel your baby's movement, make sure you come to the hospital so that you can get an ultrasound and give your concerns to your healthcare provider, because they know better than what you feel is normal. It might be abnormal, totally abnormal what you're feeling, but you might not even know. So make sure you voice out when you feel any abnormal symptoms, when you feel your baby's movement has reduced, when you have spotting or bleeding. Even if it's just spotting, make sure you say out your concern so that it will be handled. If you feel water draining out of you, make sure you come to the hospital and get your concern taken care of. Never ignore any symptoms during pregnancy, even if it's as little as anything you feel. You might feel, oh, this is just a little headache and it doesn't mean anything. No, make sure any little headache, any little cough, any little abdominal pain, report to your healthcare provider so you can be guided and get the right information. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell to get notifications anytime I post. In the next episode, I'll be talking about wellness tips for women. If you don't want to miss out, make sure you subscribe and tap on the notification bell so that you get notified when I post